Women are naturally attracted to men who create a sense of intrigue and challenge. When a man chases a woman, it often decreases her attraction and puts him in a lower position. The key is, when you chase, you surrender power, and that's the last thing you want to do. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful concept that can transform your relationships and help you regain control when a woman starts pulling away. If you want to know how to make her come back crawling, stay tuned because we're discussing Stoicism and the crucial steps to shift the power dynamic in your favor. Let me break it down for you. Women test men constantly, and they do it without even realizing it. These tests come in the form of pulling back, acting cold, or becoming distant. It's her way of seeing how much control she has over you. If you start chasing her, blowing up her phone, or trying to fix things, you're telling her that she's in charge, that she can dictate the terms of the relationship. And that's exactly when she loses attraction. Maybe you've been dating for a few months and she starts taking longer to reply to your texts. At first, you shrug it off, but after a while, it's clear she's pulling away. Your instinct tells you to fix it, to send a thoughtful text, or maybe surprise her with something sweet. But here's what you need to understand. The moment you give her that validation, you lose even more. So how do you regain that attraction? The answer lies in changing the power dynamic. Make her chase you instead. Women tend to lose interest when they feel they have too much control in the relationship. By flipping the script, you not only reignite her interest, but also foster a deeper respect for you as a man. Now, how do you achieve this shift? The solution is to emotionally detach. Create some space for her to miss you. This isn't about playing games. It's about regaining power and respect without uttering a single word. When you withdraw your attention, she'll start to wonder what you're up to and begin to realize your worth. It's essential to understand the reasons behind her pulling back. Avoid common pitfalls like overreacting or showing too much interest. Remember, when you react emotionally, you risk pushing her further away. Instead, embrace a Stoic mindset. Stay calm, collected, and confident in yourself. One of the most effective strategies is the no contact rule. Going silent for 30 days can work wonders. During this time, focus on improving yourself, whether it's hitting the gym, pursuing new hobbies, or advancing your career. Use this period to become the best version of yourself. This self-improvement will not only boost your confidence, but also make you more attractive. After the 30 days are up, it's time to break the silence. When you reach out, do so confidently and without any hint of neediness. This is your chance to show her that you've been working on yourself and that you're not the same man who chased after her. Instead, you've transformed into someone who commands respect and attention. Remember, the key to making her come back is all about the energy you bring to the table. If you approach her with calm confidence, she'll feel the change and be drawn to you in ways you never thought possible. In conclusion, by applying these Stoic principles and following the steps outlined today, you can regain the attraction and respect of the woman you desire. Stop chasing and start being the man who inspires pursuit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on relationships and self-improvement. Remember, it's all about mastery of yourself first, and everything else will follow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.